The Philippines and Singapore, both island nations in Southeast Asia, have vastly different military histories and postures. The Philippines, with its archipelagic geography and history of internal conflicts, has prioritized a military structure designed for counterinsurgency operations and territorial defense. Singapore, acutely aware of its vulnerability as a small island nation surrounded by larger neighbors, has adopted a poison shrimp defense strategy. This doctrine centers around making any attempt at aggression prohibitively costly for any potential adversary. Singapore's military is technologically advanced and focuses on rapid response and deterrence. The island nation places a premium on maintaining a highly trained, well-equipped, and technologically superior military force. The Philippines, constrained by limited resources, has struggled to modernize its military equipment and capabilities. Despite these challenges, the Philippines continues to play an important role in regional security, particularly in combating piracy and terrorism in Southeast Asian waters. Singapore, with its robust economy and strong emphasis on defense, has consistently invested heavily in acquiring and developing advanced military technology. The country boasts a modern and well-maintained arsenal, including state-of-the-art fighter jets, sophisticated naval vessels, and advanced air defense systems. The Philippines dwarfs Singapore in sheer numbers, with over 140,000 active personnel and a reserve force of over 130,000. Singapore has around 72,000 active personnel and a reserve force of over 350,000. Singapore leverages technology and a highly trained force, equipped with modern tanks and advanced vehicles. Both countries focus on regional cooperation and joint exercises. When it comes to naval capabilities, the contrast between the Philippines and Singapore becomes even more pronounced. Singapore boasts a modern and capable navy equipped with advanced frigates, corvettes, submarines, and mine countermeasure vessels. The Republic of Singapore Navy, RSN, is highly regarded in the region for its professionalism, technological sophistication, and operational readiness. The Philippines, on the other hand, possesses a navy that is smaller and equipped with a mix of older vessels. The Philippine Navy, while facing significant challenges in terms of modernization and funding, plays a crucial role in safeguarding the nation's vast maritime territory and protecting its offshore resources. Singapore's naval superiority stems from its consistent investment in modern warships and submarines, as well as its focus on maintaining a high level of naval readiness. The RSN regularly participates in international naval exercises and deployments, further enhancing its capabilities and interoperability with other navies. Singapore's submarine force, in particular, provides the island nation with a significant asymmetric advantage. Despite the disparity in naval capabilities, the Philippines has made strides in recent years to enhance its maritime security capabilities. In terms of air power, Singapore holds a decisive advantage over the Philippines. Singapore possesses a modern air force equipped with advanced fighter jets, including F-15SG Strike Eagles and F-16C/D Fighting Falcons, supported by a sophisticated air defense network. The Philippines, in contrast, lacks a dedicated air force and relies on its Air Force, a branch of the armed forces, for air power. The Philippine Air Force fields a limited number of fighter jets, attack helicopters, and transport aircraft, many of which are aging and in need of modernization. Singapore's investment in advanced fighter jets, coupled with its highly trained pilots and sophisticated air defense systems, makes its air force one of the most capable in Southeast Asia. The Philippines, hampered by budgetary constraints and competing priorities, has struggled to modernize its air force and address its capability gaps. Singapore's air defense network, comprising a multi-layered system of surface-to-air missiles, radar systems, and command and control centers, provides comprehensive protection against air attacks. The disparity in air power between Singapore and the Philippines is a reflection of their differing defense priorities and economic realities.